Dreaming of launching your own app but are overwhelmed by coding complexity and sky-high development costs? Traditional app development can be a nightmare, time-consuming, expensive, and requiring specialized skill. So enter Adalo, a no-code platform promising a simple app creation and empower anyone to build their dream app regardless of technical expertise. So in this video, I'm going to create a full tutorial review about this website, which is Adalo. Adalo is a website that allows you to build or create your own app using some inbuilt template from the website. So with the help of this website, you can create your own mobile app without you learning how to code. Just like it is stated on the website, build a mobile app for your business, no coding required. So this website, what you're going to focus on is just to design it's a simple intuitive dashboard. Just design your business app in this website and make it run without having a basic knowledge of coding. So a lot of benefit features is attached to this website. So from here, this website you can create a complete custom app, which with the use of drag and drop component, which helps you to move tools from one place to another, just like it's stated on your website. Create a complete custom app, drag and drop component anywhere you like to create a mobile app perfect tailored to you. Match your business brand with custom font, color palette, icon, and logo, and more. And also, with the help of this website, you can also manage your business data inside the Adalo or use another data source. Adalo has a flexible database option for you. So choosing between internal database builders or integrated with the back end like Excel or acceptable or through our integration capacity. So with the help of this website, help you to manage the business data inside the Adalo. Also use other data source just to keep your business data intact and more kept. And also with the help of this Adalo website, which help you to build mobile app without knowing how to code, you can also publish to any app store and custom domain. So with the Adalo app publisher and Adalo app builder, you build your app once and publish it across stores and a custom domain. So don't worry about the choosing which platform is best. I don't let you publish your apps to all platforms. Just for example, talking about all platforms, you can simply get the apps. Since you have the domain, you can simply get the apps either in your Play Store, on your Apple Store, or even on your website. You have it published on any platform so that people can have access to your inbuilt business app. Then with the help of Adalo, you can simply run and create a full develop backend and front end with drag and drop components that makes it look more okay with the data font, the color palette, and everything that makes it so unique. And also with the help of Adalo, you can scale and grow your business with an Adalo app. Also provide all your needs to make money from your app, increase your users, and supercharge your business growth and profit, which makes it awesome. So here I unleash your inner developers with no code. So unleash your inner developers. So here are the inner developer features within the website without knowing how to code. First on the list is custom responsive web app. So with this Adalo web apps use a responsive design, so you can build your app once and publish it to any device. And it's also we were the first no-code app builder that can publish anywhere seamlessly. So talking about seamlessly, publish anywhere, just anywhere. If you want to leave in the app name, you can simply get it on your website, on your window, on your PC, on your Mac, on your tablet, even your mobile phone. Just go to your each stores. You're using an iOS user, just go to your Apple Store, then there you can find the app without no barrier. And that's it. And also offer in-app purchases. All users components that connect to popular services like Stream and hyper up and securely collect money from your users. So you also have access to in-app purchase, so people can purchase any form of features from your app, and also you have an external which also helps you build your website, and also you also have Zipper, which is available among the inner developer tools that you have. You also have Zipper. Only connect directly to Zipper. This automation platform provides top-notch integration with over 5,000 and other services platform. For example, a new sign pop-up and Gmail welcome email and a lot more like that. And also among the layers, we have better option of drag and drop free form builder. So visually create an app inside Adalo app builder. Rearrange your designs for any screen size without constraint, which you see it truly with you get. So this can also ship in your mobile website or the app builder in the site or the mobile app you're trying to design to any constraint of your choice. They also have the web publishing control, so they also give access to this, which makes your mobile app functions uniquely. We have about an average app time and about 1 million apps created. Adalo also get access to geolocation. Build a powerful location driving app. The Adalo, our geolocation features enable apps to access device location, to calculate distance, search for addresses, and much more. You also gain access to custom action, component marketplaces, features template, and a lot more. So this website is a full loaded website, which makes it more easier. So what is Adalo? Because people are like, okay, what's the name of this Adalo? So Adalo is a digital toolbox for building apps. Just it. So that's one thing about Adalo. That's just its main purpose. The main purpose of this website is it's like a toolbox. Exactly. So it's like a toolbox that allows you to build your own app just for your own need. And here are a lot of benefits you start getting using this website, which is Adalo. One of the first of the list is the no code required. So with the help of Adalo, you have to learn to code before you can build a mobile app for business. You also get an version to a free access, benefit access to being a user of this website using one of the most important components of this website, which is drag and drop interface. You also get access to cross-platform compatibility, database integration, component marketplace, customization option, publish to App Store, affordable pricing, the community and support, which makes it more some best features of this website is responsive design, premium components, the app template, build powerful app, and manage your business data, which makes it awesome. So currently, let's check the price plan for this website. Yeah, there's a lot of price plan, but okay. So there's a lot of price plan for this website. We have the free, we have the starter, we have the professional, we have the team, and we have the business. And each and every of these plans offer a range price for each plan. And for a starter, it is free. But at the same time, you can get access to some tools that can help you monetize your mobile app for business. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if you think this app is good for your mobile app design. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button.